Whether you're commuting to work, going to a medical appointment, or simply exploring the city, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps of booking an on-demand ride using the WeRide app. If you don't have a smartphone, rides can also be booked online by following the same steps. You can find the online booking portal on WeRideAZ.com. Now, let's get started by downloading the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. You'll need to create an account by providing some basic information. This helps the drivers understand who to pick up. Once you're signed in, start booking rides by inputting your origin and destination within the highlighted service area on the map. Simply type in the addresses or click on the pins on the map to select the locations. Both your pickup and drop-off locations must be typically within the same city service area. Then confirm the number of passengers and seat types, along with the time and date of when the ride is needed. You'll receive a few ride options, so choose the one that fits your schedule best based on the guaranteed arrive-by time. To confirm your ride, be sure to choose your preferred payment method, input any coupon codes, and then click on Book Now. Now that your ride is booked, get ready for the vehicle to come pick you up. While you wait, your ride can be tracked in real time with the app under My Rides on the left menu bar. Make sure to head to the pickup location before your pickup window begins, as it may be a short walk away. To find the walking directions to your pickup point, simply click on the walking person icon located at the bottom right of the map. When the vehicle arrives, hop on board and, if required, pay your fare. The vehicle will need to depart promptly in order to stay on schedule, as it may need to pick up additional passengers on the way to your destination. Once you've arrived and your ride is complete, let us know what you think of the service by rating the trip and providing any comments. Your feedback helps us continually improve our service for you and the community. We hope you enjoyed the service, and we look forward to seeing you on your first WeRide on-demand trip.